Hey guys. Let's make objects glow today. For example, the player. Or the tiles. Or this planet. Making objects glow is very easy in Godot. Let's start. Click on level 1. Then right-click and click on Add Child Node. And search for World Environment. And double-click on it. Go to Inspector. Click here at Environment on Empty. Then click on New Environment. Now click here on Environment and this menu opens. Now click on Background. Here at Mode. Click on this little arrow. And select Canvas. Now go here to Glow. And turn on Enabled. And this menu will open. At Blend Mode. Click on this little arrow. And select Additive. That's it, we are done with the settings. Now click on the object that you want to make glow. I click on my player. Go to Inspector. Click on Visibility. And click here on the color field of Modulate. Now click here on Raw. As soon as you enter a value higher than 1, you make the object glow. For example, I enter 4. Start the program. Nice. If I now want to make another object glow, I just need to click on the object. Let's say this planet. Go to Inspector again. Click on Visibility. Then click on the color field of Modulate again. Then click here on Raw again. And again, as soon as you enter a value higher than 1 here, you make the second object glow. You can also use these sliders here. When we have exceeded the threshold and the object is glowing, we get here, in the upper left corner, this little triangle. Start the program. Click on World Environment. Here at Glow. We have the HDR threshold. By default, there is a 1 here. This is the reason why the object starts to glow when we enter a value higher than 1 in the color panel. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.